Anyone building charging infrastructure today isn't just installing a few charging stations. Behind every project are approval processes, grid operators, property owners, civil engineering, and challenges that no specification sheet can foresee.
On behalf of evpass AG, a subsidiary of Shell, cablex has installed two 66 kilowatt fast charging stations and one 11 kilowatt charging station in Hünibach.
Technically precise, but the real core of the project lay elsewhere. The originally planned connection via the neighboring hotel fell through.
Instead of managing the standstill, cablex was on site, developed the alternative, and worked out a new solution together with the grid operator BKW.
The result? An independent direct connection. Independent, technically clean, and in the end, cheaper than the original plan. Because a new roundabout was being built in the area at the same time, existing lines had to be adapted anyway.
Cablex recognized this opportunity and coordinated the work so that the necessary infrastructure could be created in a single step. This saved time, prevented duplicate construction work, and reduced the effort for everyone involved.
A ventilation shaft blocked the entrance for heavy vehicles. The solution, the distribution box and charging stations were lifted directly from the street using a crane, precise, without compromises.
The overall project management was handled by cablex, from the offer to the ready-to-use system. For the client, this meant one thing above all: a single point of contact and clear responsibilities.
Complex projects don't need an administrator. They need a partner who takes responsibility, develops solutions, and guides everyone involved safely to the goal. That is cablex.